I got it all painted. Check it out. I started doing some sanding down here, but I think I'm just going to run it through the joiner or the planer and see what happens. So let's do it. We got nothing to lose except for a piece of wood and a day's worth of work. Well, that worked out awesome. I had it on the fine blades. See if we can get you up here closer. Now what I'm going to do is get a round over on these edges, do a little hand sanding, clean out any of these chip outs that might have happened. I got a little one there. And then keyholes on the back. Well, thanks for coming around and seeing what we do. I guess we could put a round over bit on this and do it right now. Let's do it. Why not?